guys are doing well today. We are going to do a really quick BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm telling you, I have canceled this I don't know how many times, and it just keeps on coming. So I just figured I'd show you guys what's in it. This look is in another video, so if you are interested in this, it is the video titled Replicating a Kimora Black Makeup Look, or at least my version of that look. So let's get into the unboxing of the BoxyCharm. Okay. First thing, I'm just pulling them out randomly. And I think I threw the paper away that said how much this stuff is worth. But I'm sure you guys have seen some of these anyways. First thing that came in this is Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm, which I'm actually really excited to try this. I haven't opened it. Oh, okay, so you just kind of rub it on. Oh, that feels nice. Really, really nice. This on its own, I'm gonna look at the prices, and since I was a horrible person and threw away the insert, we're gonna go onto the Sephora website. I'm assuming a lot of these things are probably on that website, so we shall see. Sephora. Okay. Okay, so the Tula Eye Balm is set to retail at $28. So it feels nice. I don't really know how it's going to go on, but I always love skincare, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing is Touch and Soul. Okay, I don't think I've tried anything from them. Touch and Soul. And okay, so they are available on Ulta, unlike the eye balm. Oh, but they don't have much. Wow. Okay, so we're on the Touch and Soul website, and this right here, oh, I think I actually have tried, they've had other stuff in their BoxyCharms, which was like a face gloss, I think is what it was. So this looks like this, and this came broken, obviously. I think this is pretty. I think it's really pretty. But First Cafe, so it's got some really nice colors in it. That's pretty. I think this is a highlighter. No, maybe more of a blush, the one in the middle. It's too dark to be a highlighter for me. That's beautiful. That's this color here. Yeah, I like this. I could get some use out of this. I'm definitely digging this out and getting it out of this palette. This palette right here is a retail value at $32, 32 American dollars. Okay, and then what is this? What brand is this? Is that the brand? Ola Neon. Ola Neon, what is that? I've never even heard of this brand. Ola Neon. I literally have never heard of this. The Easy Cell. Okay, they have a neon liquid lipstick. Okay, let's see what this is valued at. And this is a liquid lipstick, right? Matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. That's very weird combination. Let's see what color this is. Okay, so it's like a chocolate brown. Oh my gosh, I have my hand covered in makeup, so we're going to go up. That's that color. That's not really a color I would wear. It's very liquidy, and usually when they're really liquidy like that, the ones that I've tried are very, very drying. So we will see. These are valued at $17. There's some other colors on this website that I would definitely try. This is not one of them. It's called the Easy Cell. What? It does not look anything like the picture at all on their website. This looks very soft, almost like I guess I can show you guys. It's just my iPad. This is what it looks like in here, and then look at it there. Oh, this is hard to show you. Do you see the difference? Like, how is that? How do these two match at all? Like, they don't. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, no, this is like almost like red, and it's on there. It is not. It's almost like a pink. So that just goes to, that just shows me that the colors aren't true to the website. So you may think you're gonna get one color and you're really gonna get something else. Okay, the other thing that came in here is lip liner and lip gloss. Oh, so we get two. This is from Carr. It's called Charming. Okay, so this is also another color I would never use. It's just not my... I like nudes, and in the winter I will do reds. So this is the liner that came in it, and this is the lip gloss. It's huge. The lid didn't even want to go in. So this one, Cab, KB. Okay. KAB Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand ever in my life. Okay, so the lip kits are, this isn't even showing me a price. What's going on? $45. The lip liner just vanished. Okay, so this and the lip liner are $45. I mean, I can't say that the lip gloss is bad. This is just not a color I would use. Like, why do they? I don't know. I think that's one of the reasons why. Oh, here's the lip liner. One of the reasons why I don't really like them is because they send just these most random shades. And I took the survey. I don't know. Okay, and then last but not least is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette. I am a huge fan of Laura Geller. I do not like palettes like this, and so this will definitely not be getting any use out of me. I don't mind, look at my hands. I do not mind cream products. I don't like them like this. I don't like my bronzer mixed in with my blush and then my, I'm assuming that's a highlighter. Yeah, a very, very like wet, like this is like oily. These are really oily. The bronzer, I will say, that was really pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, let me put this somewhere you can actually see it. Very pretty. I like that. And I don't have a finger left for the pink or for the blush. I'll just use my pinky. Yeah, I mean, it's very sheer. I went in there a few times and yeah, I'm not impressed. Laura Geller could have thrown in something better, like her new highlighter or something. I know she's trying to sell it, but her brand is sinking, in my opinion. My opinion, don't come for me if you really love her. Her brand is really sinking though. They've taken them out of Ulta. I think the only place that I know that you can like locally get them if you have a Kohl's in your state and city is Kohl's, and then online. And then I think they still sell them on QVC. However, like they were huge in Ulta for a long time and now they're gone. I mean, their products were getting sold for like pennies on the dollar. So this was not worth it. Actually, I guess it was for this just by itself. This and what else did I get? And the eye balm. These two are probably the only things that I will use in this kit. In my Boxy charm, I'm still trying to figure out how the heck do I cancel this. It is just so frustrating. So, all right, guys, you know, if you are a Boxy charm member, then you probably got pretty much the same box as me. You guys can help me what you guys think. Did you guys like it? Do you guys think it was worth the price? Or do you guys think that they're kind of giving us crap products? I personally think most of these, like, they give you a couple of good ones to kind of like reel you in and keep you subscribed, and then they throw in some shit. That's just my opinion. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys have a great week, a great month, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.